Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll be looking into how to set up matte painting in Nuke. So I have this matte painting PSD file. So let me get into this properties and I will click this breakout layers option. So now we have this matte painting layers separated. So as we are going to set up this matte painting in 3D, so we do not need these merge nodes. So I will select this and remove, and this crop nodes are not also needed. These shuffle nodes are the layers from the Photoshop which we'll be using to set up this matte painting. So I'll be adding the pre-mult node. So this pre-mult node is to separate alpha from the layers. So I have added the pre-mult nodes. So in order to view this in 3D, so we do need a scene. We need a scanline render and a camera. First let us set up this camera. So I'll select this, I'll go into the properties of camera. So here we can see the horizontal and vertical aperture value. This is actually the film back value of this camera. So as we can see, this is a matte painting. This is not a camera shot which was taken. So this looks like a wide angle. So it is not a telephoto or zoom. So I'll be giving the focal length as default 30 value. So and I will be giving this horizontal and vertical aperture values as 35 and 24. So the values which I have given here is just for the tutorial purpose. So if you do have the values for the camera which you have shot, I recommend you to use that values. So now what I will do is I will connect the scene to scanline render and this camera to here. And I will connect this viewer to the scanline render. And I will create a card. So I will connect this card to this layer and I will connect this card to the scene. So if you go into 3D view, we can see the card here. So if I try to move the card from here and view it in 2D, so you can see the scaling is not perfect. So even though if I try to adjust the scaling manually, so it is hard for me to scale it perfectly as per the frustum. So this might be a little bit challenging for us to set up in matte painting. So in order to overcome this solution, we do have a method which is giving the values as per the camera. So now what I will be doing is I'll be adding a card and I'll go into the properties of this card and you can see the lens in focal value. So here what we have to give is the same focal length value which we have given in the camera. So I have given this as 30 millimeter. I will do the same, and the lens in H aperture is the horizontal aperture which I have given is 35, I believe. Let me just check. Yes, it is 35. And now if I connect the card to this layer and to this scene, and in this card there is an option called as this Z depth. If I move this value, so it perfectly moves in Z depth as per the frustum. So you can clearly see that. So the camera has this frustum, so which does not move away. So I'll be doing this for also the rest of these layers. So now we have the perfect setup for this matte painting. So the only thing which you have to do right now is set up these cards. So setting up the cards for this matte painting is done. So if I view in 2D, you can see the card is perfectly scaled as per the frustum. So now you can go ahead and animate the camera. So guys, that's all for this video. So please do also check my other tutorials in Nuke. So if you do like my videos, please do consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.